This video is to show providers' compliance audit lead users how to set up the provider's independent auditor. It links to the relevant section of the Compliance Audit System user guidance. Please see the guidance for more details. Setup of independent auditor users takes place in the Compliance Audit System. The Compliance Audit lead logs into the Compliance Audit System and is presented with the dashboard screen. The Compliance Audit lead must complete the screens relating to the first two links on the dashboard, Provider Contact Details and Audit Setup, before they can set up the independent auditor through the Independent Auditor List link on the dashboard. To add an independent auditor, click on the Add Independent Auditor button. Complete the screen, filling in the first name, surname, and email address of the new user. Then read and accept the conditions and press Save. As a result of these actions, an IMS account is created. A message will be displayed on the screen to say that this has been completed, and a system-generated email is sent to the new independent auditor user to enable them to create a password for their new account. Navigate back to the independent auditor list. The new account is displayed along with the independent auditor user ID that the independent auditor will need to log in to the compliance audit system. In some cases, there may be independent auditors already present on the independent auditor setup page from the previous year's audit. They will appear in the independent auditor list too, except that there will be no provider certification date. These existing independent auditor users can be certified by selecting the relevant name from the list. This then takes the user to the same certification we saw a moment ago, Create New Independent Auditor, which they should complete in the same way as for a new independent auditor user. Navigate back to the independent auditor list. The provider certification date is now populated. An automated email will be sent to the independent auditor user. If an independent auditor account is no longer needed, it should be deleted. This can be done on the independent auditor list screen. Pressing the delete button will remove the independent auditor user.